Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be baking a quick, simple but delicious cake. You can either have it for breakfast, kids school afternoon snack, or any time of the day. And during this time where it begins to get in cool, you can have it with a nice cup of chocolate, warm chocolate. You can have it however you like. Anyway, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't remember to leave a comment and follow us on Instagram at 1876moy. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. So here I have 2 eggs. I'm just going to go ahead and beat the 2 eggs. You can use a hand mixer if you don't have an electric mixer. We're going to beat the eggs for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then here I have 100 grams of sugar. We're going to mix them together. Scrape down the side that it is mixed evenly. And you mix until the sugar is dissolved. You scrape down the side again. You see that takes the mixture. And here's some vanilla. I'm going to add half teaspoon of vanilla. And here I have 70 milliliter of sunflower oil. And 70 milliliters of sunflower oil is equal to 1/3 cup. And now I'm just going to go in and mix my flour and my baking powder together. And this is 160 grams of flour with 10 grams of baking powder. I'm going to mix that together and then sieve in the flour and the baking powder into my mixture. I want to make sure that there's no lump in the flour. And a pinch of salt. You add the salt to the mixture and continue. And mix that evenly around. And make sure you scrape down the batter that the flour is not stick to the side. You want everything to well mix, properly mixed. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add 100 milliliters of milk. Scrape down the side again and make sure everything is equally mixed. You don't want to have no lumps of flour in your mixture. Now that this is mixed, I'm going to go ahead and grease my baking tin by adding a little bit of oil and spreading that evenly around in my baking tin. And now I'm just going to coat it with some flour that my cake do not stick to the bottom of the baking tin. I'm just going to go ahead and do the same evenly around. You can go ahead and throw the remaining of flour in the batter as I do right here. And now you're just going to go ahead and scrape out your batter in your baking tin. Scrape out everything and don't let anything left back. And you're going to put this in your oven and bake for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Our cake is now out of the oven. I'm going to test it. The toothpick is clean. That means the cake is fully baked. I'm going to let it cool down a little. Look at that. So I'm going to let it cool a little and I'll come back and cut it to you guys see. Like that. And you can prepare this cake for birthday cake or just an afternoon snack for the kids or even for breakfast. Thanks for watching.